Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Voiceflow Chatbot to Framer. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To add a Voiceflow Chatbot to Framer, first go to your account in Voiceflow and open one of your agents. From there, click on the Interfaces tab at the left side and copy the installation code provided. Once you have that code copied, go to Framer and open one of your projects. On the white canvas area, click Anywhere, then click on Insert, located at the top left corner of the screen. In the search bar that appears, type in Embed and select the Embed option from the list. After selecting it, drag the Embed component onto your canvas where you want the chatbot to appear. Once the embed is placed on your canvas, click on it and scroll down on the right panel until you see the Embed section. Under the HTML option, paste the installation code you copied earlier from Voiceflow. After pasting the code, click anywhere on the canvas to apply it. Your chatbot or agent should now appear within your Framer project. To test if it's working properly, click on the play icon at the top. You should then be able to interact with your Voiceflow agent directly inside Framer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add Voiceflow Chatbot to Framer. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.